the demonstration of the Third Eye Awakening by having the Inner Awakening kids and the Inner Awakening adult participants demonstrate the blindfold reading. I would like to introduce the honorable guest for the morning, the Vice Chancellor of the Sampurnanand University in Varanasi. He is very honored to us. And we request him to first put the blindfold on himself and then blindfold the participants.
Okay, now our guest is going to blindfold himself and check the blindfold. And he's going to tie the high band. Now, can we double blindfold the child?
Now the guest for the morning is writing what he would like the child to read. Meanwhile, we are double blindfolding the kid to demonstrate the third eye awakening, where the kids actually see through their third eye and read whatever is written on paper. With a very special initiation by Swamiji, the kids are able to read through their third eye.
समाज को उनके सत्कार्यों को और समाज पर चलने के लिए बहुत ही प्रशंसनीय होता है और आज आकर बड़ी प्रसन्नता है इस प्रकार के कार्यक्रम को देख करके स्वामी जी को प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Thank you. Thank you, Ji, for coming and gracing us on this occasion. We now invite the one more honorable guest for the morning to come forward and see for themselves the blindfold demonstration. We now invite the Mahant of Mahanirvani Akhada in Varanasi to come forward and see the blindfold reading, the third eye awakening demonstration for himself. Mahanji, Padari, please. Mahant Ravindra Giri Maharaj of Mahanirvana Akhada, Varanasi. He has been a wonderful host for us when we visited the ghats in Varanasi. He has been a wonderful host, receiving us and hosting us in this land. We now invite him to come forward and see the third eye awakening and demonstrate it by the kids.
He's going to wear the blindfold by himself to check the...
He's now checking it on himself. We are now doing the double blindfold by tying the eyes once more. We now request the guest on stage to write down on a piece of paper what he would like the participant to read. For the very first time, we are demonstrating the blindfold presentation due to third eye awakening. Now, when the third eye is initiated, when the third eye awakening is initiated by Swamiji, the participants can actually see and read through the third eye as we would normally do through the two eyes. Now, by doing the double blindfold, we are demonstrating here the third eye awakening, the third eye initiation that all the participants received here in this hall during the inner awakening. Now, this is the first inner awakening where all the adult participants were also initiated into the third eye awakening, and we are very happy to demonstrate in front of the world one of the ancient powers, the third eye awakening of the Vedic tradition. And by doing the blindfold reading, we are demonstrating that this power is latent in all of us. And when initiated by our master, when initiated by an enlightened master, the third eye is opened, and the blindfold reading is basically just one way of demonstrating the power of third eye. There are other powers when the third eye is awakened. You have the power of intuition, power to be able to see things in the future, clarity, and lot other benefits of the third eye awakening. We are now demonstrating it through the blindfold reading. Our guest for the morning is writing what he wants the participants to read. He is writing it in the Hindi language.
पंचायती अखाड़ा। I think there are many words. पंचायती अखाड़ा महानिर्वाणी, स्वामी जी ऐसे नो मैं स्वामी जी ऐसे प्रति प्रतिभाशाली, महामंडलेश्वर, महामंडलेश्वर पाकर अपने आप को धन्य मानता हूँ, मानता है। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
है ना महाराज जी? अब बताइए क्या लगा, क्या बोला?
पढ़िए और
इसमें लिखा गया है, श्री पंचायती अखाड़ा महानिर्वाणी ने स्वामी जी ऐसे प्रतिभाशाली महामंडलेश्वर पाकर अपने आप को धन्य मानता है। ओम शांति शांति। जिसको ये माता जी ने बहुत अच्छे ढंग से, बगैर किसी गलती के, बहुत अच्छे ढंग से पढ़ लिया।
We now request Puja Swami to translate what our honored chief guest just spoke in Hindi.
Thanks to the Mahan Ravindra Giriji. Just translating what he said is our Akhada, Mahanirvani Akhada, Panchayati Mahanirvani Akhada is proud of having Swamiji as the Mahamandaleshwara. And we have from Govinda Math, which is our Guru Gaddi, is Govindanandji and Swami Dayanand Sastriji.
We now invite the second honored chief guest to We now invite our guest to blindfold the participant.
स्वामी जी आपको वो पहले आप पहन के देख लीजिए, चेक कर लीजिए, वो देख सकते हैं।
Yes.
दिखाई दे रहा है या नहीं, एक बार आप
We are inviting the guest to first put the blindfold on himself to test it. Yes. Are you able to see?
इसी में बोलना है।
स्वामी जी आपको कुछ दिख रहा है? Are you able to see anything, Swami ji?
जी बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं।
Swami ji saying he can't see anything.
We now invite the guest to blindfold the inner awakening participant. Participants who are very much like all the viewers 20 days back. All the participants were just like all the viewers sitting out there watching the. All are real participants. We are not invited people to act here. All of them were just like you, sitting and watching the satsang from their own houses, their own cities. Made a decision to attend the inner awakening in Varanasi, got initiated by Swamiji into the third eye awakening. First time ever for adults demonstrating visibly the powers of third eye. कुछ भी letters लिख सकते हैं, word. The technique that Swamiji used to initiate all the participants is directly from the Vedic literature, the Shivagamas. All the participants. A chapter named Shivanyana Upanishad in the Vedic literature, Shivagamas. Swamiji used the technique from there and initiated all the participants into the third eye awakening. Can you hold the mic a little far?
Are there blessings just go away with the mic for a minute. Hold the mic, ma.
You leave. You leave. Madhuri will take it.
Are there blessings
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
We are here to blessing, मैंने लिखा है और बच्ची ने पढ़ा है आंख पे पट्टी बांध करके। तो ये महापुरुषों का चमत्कार है और महापुरुषों का आशीर्वाद है जी। बहुत बहुत We are here to blessing.
Swamiji told that this is the miracle of the Mahapurusas, the Avatar Purusas.
ये हमारे योगा का चमत्कार है।
This is the miracle of yoga.
अंग्रेजी में ही कुछ बड़ा बड़ा लेटर्स लिख दीजिए।
SADYURUPHYNAMG।
ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही है ये, बिल्कुल सही।
MAHYASUHASITI।
बहुत सही सही पढ़ा। लिखने वाले ने कुछ ऐसा लिखा था जिसकी वजह से एक जगह ऐसा हुआ जो वाई को ऐसा पढ़ लिया गया, लेकिन बिल्कुल सही, एकदम बिल्कुल सही इन्होंने पढ़ा है।
बोलिए सद्गुरुदेव भगवान की। सानंदमानंद बने वसंतम आनंदकंदम हतपापवृंदम वाराणसीनाथमनाथनाथम श्री विश्वनाथम शरणं प्रपद्ये। ओम शांति शांति शांति। परम पूज्य परमादरणीय महान तपस्वी पूज्य महाराज जी, हमारे स्वामी गोविंदानंद जी महाराज जी, परम पूज्य स्वामी रविंद्र गिरी महाराज जी, अजय भारती महाराज जी, आप सभी भक्तिमती माताएं, भक्तजन, आप लोगों की भाग्य की जितना प्रशंसा की जाए बहुत कम है। जिसको अंग्रेजी में थैंक यू कहते हैं, हमको तो इतना अंग्रेजी का ज्ञान नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी जो है ना पूज्य महाराज जी के चरणों में आप आए हैं। ये आपके जो है ना करोड़ों जन्म की तपस्या है। अनंत जन्मों का जब पुण्य होता है तो ऐसे दिव्य विभूति का दर्शन होता है।
when we carry the punya of many births, after that only we have darshan of such Dibya Purusa, the divine personality.
भगवत गीता जी में 3 नेत्र बताए हैं, जो ज्ञान नेत्र है, चर्म नेत्र है। चर्म नेत्र तो पाप पुण्य को देते हैं, ज्ञान नेत्र जो है ना ज्ञान को देते हैं, भक्ति को देते हैं।
In Bhagavad Gita, there are 2 kinds of eyes have been described. One is the eye of devotion, one is the eye which we carry, the normal eye.
और जो दिव्य नेत्र है, जो महाराज श्री अभी दे रहे हैं और आगे भी दे रहे हैं, और जिनको दिया है, जो देश विदेश में जो दिव्य नेत्र प्रदान कर रहे हैं, अपना जो आत्मा स्वरूप है, ईशावास्यम इदम सर्वम यत् किंच जगत्याम जगत, जो आपका स्वरूप है, आत्मा सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप है, वो पूज्य महाराज दे रहे हैं।
The Divya Netra, the divine eyes which Swamiji is giving through his initiation.
जिसको श्री कृष्ण भगवान ने गीता जी में दिव्यम ददामि ते चक्षु पश्चिमे योगमेश्वरम,
which has been described in Bhagavad Gita, which was given by Lord Krishna.
ऐसे जो है ना, जो दिव्य नेत्र आप लोग प्राप्त कर रहे हैं, ये आपके अनंत जन्मों का जो पाप है, अनंत जन्मों का जो दुख है, ये सर्वनाश हो जाता है।
After receiving this divine vision, the many births, the karmas gets dissolved.
और आप अपने स्वरूप, जो आपका स्वरूप आत्मा है, सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप है, जिसको शास्त्रों में ब्रह्म कहते हैं, नेति नेति कहते हैं, वो जो दिव्य स्वरूप है, पूज्य महाराज जी के चरणों में बैठकर आप केवल बैठने मात्र से आपको मिल रहा है, ये सबसे बड़ा तो अहोभाग्य यही है।
And the realization of the divine being of your own self, it is happening just by sitting at the feet of the master.
सबसे बड़ी साधना यही है।
This is the ultimate sadhana, just sitting at the feet of the master.
क्योंकि शास्त्रों में कहा गया है ब्रह्मविद ब्रह्मे भवति, ब्रह्मवेत्ता के चरणों में बैठे। एक महात्मा जी मुझे कह रहे थे कि महाराज जी में क्या शक्ति है कि जो इतने लोगों को खींच लेते हैं। बम्बई में एक कह रहा था, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने उनको ये कहा कि मुझे लगता है कि ये इनके पास साक्षात मीनाक्षी देवी निवास करती है, ऐसे हमको लगा।
It is prescribed in the Shastras to sit at the feet of the master. Someone in Bombay has asked Swamiji that what is so specific with Swamiji which is attracting lakhs of people to him. So he has answered that actually the divine energy of Meenakshi herself is what Swamiji.
ये भगवती की कृपा है, साक्षात ब्रह्म रूप हमारे संत होते हैं और सद्गुरु होते हैं। और पूज्य महाराज जी का नाम अपने वाराणसी में जहाँ भी देखते हैं लिखा है श्रीमद परमहंस, और वो जो महाराज जी का जो हंसमुख का जो श्री कृष्ण का मुस्कान है, वो जब देखता है आदमी,
the smile of Swamiji is like the smile of Lord Krishna, which attracts all the people here in this city.
जो नहीं देखना चाहता है ना, वो भी देख रहा है। हम देखा कि वाराणसी में जहाँ भी गए, जो नहीं देखना चाहता है और जानना चाहता है कि ये महाराज कहाँ के हैं, कहाँ से आए हैं, कौन हैं।
Even the person who doesn't want to know about it is still inquiring who is he, where has he come from, and what he wants to learn about Swamiji.
ऐसे दिव्य भूति हमारे महाराज जी हैं। इन्हीं के दर्शन जो आपको कर रहे हैं, हम लोग कर रहे हैं, ये सब का अहोभाग्य है। भगवान विश्वनाथ की बड़ी कृपा है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ पूज्य चरणों में वंदन। बोलिए सद्गुरुदेव भगवान की।
We are blessed to have darshan of Swamiji, and very blessed to have darshan of Swamiji with the blessings of Lord Vishwanatha. Is Dayananda Shastri from Govinda Math. Ravinder Puri, the secretary of Mahanirvani Akhada, Kashi Panch. Is Ajay Bharati. Kesvananda Ashram is the Mahant of Kesvananda Ashram.
See, one thing I wanted to share about the last participant who read, who demonstrated the third eye awakening. She actually does not know English at all. That is why you would have seen when she read out through the third eye, she was able to read letters
because she does not know the English language. By just seeing through the third eye, she picked up the English language while she was actually, when her third eye was initiated, when she was initiated into third eye awakening, she also got to learn the English language. One side effect of third eye awakening. That is why she was actually reading the English alphabets